Hey guys, it is the Green Brick here, and today I'm with this Lego gun. And so, I have built really insane Lego guns, and this is definitely not very good. But I decided it would be cool to put one up. If you guys like this, definitely leave a comment or like and subscribe, please. But this is a Lego gun. I'm gonna move back a bit. Okay, this is a Lego gun. It's got a comfortable handle and it's got a trigger here. It's got 2 shots, and yeah. So I'm gonna try shooting down these targets. So it's basically right now I've got 2 darts right in the front there, and depending if you push down the trigger a little bit, it'll shoot the first one. And then after that, you could either continue pushing it down farther and shoot the next one, or just press them down both really hard, and both of them will shoot about the same time. So ready? Got 1. Got 2. And so it is decently powerful. It's got very good aim. And let's see if we can knock them down. So you just have to push these darts right into the front. And we're going to see if we can knock these down. So let's see. Oh, knocked the first one down. Let's see if I can get the second one. Oh, no, I missed the second one. I'm just going to put these darts in. Let's see if we can get this one. Oh, we got it. They could just shoot the other one. So, yeah, it can be fun. You could shoot your friends with a thing. It's not too hard. It won't hurt that much if you shot your friend. But, yeah, this is just very simple. It's pretty cool. Then, yeah. Comment for a tutorial. Also, like and subscribe, guys. It really helps out the channel. And yeah, see you guys. Bye.